Meghalaya government is organizing a two-day tourism conclave in Shillong, and this conclave will include all stakeholders of the tourism industry, ranging from transporters, hoteliers, resort owners, up to guides at the local level and also the various shnongs, especially the localities and villages where there is a huge footfall of tourists. Informing this, Tourism Minister Paul Lingdo said the conclave will be held on Tuesday and Wednesday next week, and he will be chairing the inaugural session, and the second day Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma will be in attendance.
Conclave next week, that is on Tuesday and Wednesday next week, where I will be chairing the inaugural session, and on the second day the Honorable Chief Minister will be in attendance. This conclave will include, and we will invite all stakeholders in the tourism industry